Hey guys, Kevin Jackson here with another command tutorial for you. Today I'm going to show you how to add a HomeKeepr blog page to your website. As you can see, it looks very clean. It goes side to side in the desktop browser and it looks great in mobile devices as well. If you click on a blog post, you're going to see that it is branded with your agent information, which makes it great for sharing on social media. So let's get started. We're going to go over to Command, click on Sites at the bottom left, and create a new site at the top right. You want it on your agent site. Click Create Page. Give your page a title. We're going to call this Blog Test. Add a contact form by dragging it over to the left. Click on Content Blocks at the bottom, and you're going to want to grab a text box and put it at the top of the page. Go ahead and click Configure Widget, click on Contact, and then go ahead and save at the bottom, and then save at the top. Click Yes there. Now that the page is created, we're going to go back in and edit it. If you do it the first time, sometimes it will delete your information, so I always like to save it first. So now that the page layout is there, we're going to go over to HomeKeepr.com without an E at the end of HomeKeepr /KW. If you haven't already created your free pro account, go ahead and do that here. Since I already have one, I'm just going to sign in. Make sure you go to My Information at the top. That's where you're going to put in your picture and your agent info. Once you've already set that up, on your home page, you'll see My Widget here on the right side. Click on Embed Widget. Click the My Blog Widget tab. And you're going to want to copy the iframe code by clicking Copy Code right here. Now you're going to head back over to Command. Double-click your text box up at the top and get rid of the pre-written text. Go ahead and paste your HTML code in there. And then if you click 3 times, you'll see that it automatically populates with your blog. You're going to click Configure Widget. Click on this arrow at the top to get over to your contact form. You can fill this in any way you'd like. Click Save and Apply at the bottom right, and then click Save at the top right. Now that your page is created, we have to add it to the website by going to Agent Site Settings at the top. Click on the Pages tab on the right side. Scroll down to Add Page. You're going to give your page a title. This is what will display on your website in the menu. Give it a slug. Type in your SEO description if you'd like. Click on Select Page at the bottom left and find that page you just created. Click on Continue and Save Changes. Now when we go to our website, it should automatically be added to the menu. We see Blog Test down here. And just like that, you have a HomeKeepr branded blog on your website in under 4 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions.